Hello everybody, welcome. It's Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today we want to introduce you one of our company product, the valve assembly. Let's see it together. And firstly, we'll see the VCI roast bag. And here this is the brand, this is the product label and with the SKU F00RJ01727. And for this kind of logo labeled packages, we support customized service. And you can see these plastic bottles and can be avoid some damages during the transportation. This is the oil paper, and we're not only selling the whole one, we also sell the separate one, like this kind of valve cap with the coating figures. This is the valve rod. And here, Caitlin have 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly of the inject body. The third tip is if you want to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water, okay? And also for this valve assembly, 6 months warranty time. So much for this one. And more questions, please send us by the comments or just contact us phone numbers. The WhatsApp or the email is always okay. Feel free to contact us. Thank you. And so much for today. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.